Now we have seen the kinds of nouns, that is abstract noun, material noun, and common noun, collective noun. What about the plural forms? This is really very important because when we are trying to have the plural nouns, we tend to have a bit of confusion. Yes, it's very easy. You just add s or es. Now, do you know when and where to add s or es or ies? Yes. Now, what is the plural of boy? Boys, simply add s. Now, why do you add only s to boys? Why do you not change it to boies? Why is it? Usually what happens when they give us a question for error correction, we just look the question. Okay, we just see this and we just tend to neglect some of the minor things what are mentioned. The sentence might be grammatically correct, but there might be an error there where the plural forms are not changed according to the rules. Please remember, when a noun ends with a vowel plus consonant, now what is a vowel and what is a consonant? It's very simple. Let me give a quick brush up. A, E, I, O, U in English letters are called as vowels. The rest of the 21 letters, that is B, C, D, F and the other words apart from A, E, I, O, U, other letters apart from A, E, I, O, U are called as consonants. Now, when a noun ends with a consonant plus Y, then the Y changes to I and you add ES. Okay, so we have LADY, lady, and the plural of lady is ladies, LADIES, not LADYS. You will save yourself from many of the spelling errors also when you know this rule. And then when I'm talking about a vowel plus Y, when a noun ends with a vowel plus Y, then we simply add S. We do not change the Y to I. Okay, so this is a very simple and basic rule what we have learned earlier. But we tend to forget this and make a lot of spelling mistakes, and also tend to forget this and neglect it while we are correcting the errors in the sentences. And let me move on to the next topic, that is the gender. Yes, gender, the masculine and feminine gender. When I say what is a plural of sheep, what would be your answer? Yes, it is sheeps. You are absolutely wrong. The plural of sheep is sheep itself. You do not add s to it. Why did I say this? Because there are certain nouns where you do not add s to the nouns for the plural form. They are same as they were before. Okay, and sheep is one among them. Now let me move on to the next one, that is what I was talking about. Yes, that is about the masculine and feminine gender. When we are talking about genders, we have to be extra cautious. Sometimes we do not come across these rare gender names and we tend to have a lot of confusion. Okay, a bachelor is having an equivalent word in feminine gender, and that is spinster. Ram and F. Lion, lioness. So when we are talking about the female gender and the male gender, please take a note, there is no hard and fast rule that you add these things to it or these suffixes or prefixes. It is that you have to learn. Okay, so this was about the noun gender and the noun number. Please remember the rules because you will save yourself from major errors or spelling mistakes. Thank you.